Have you ever imagined having a successful million-dollar one-man show business? If you are thinking right now, yeah, right, in my dreams, then think about it once again, because today we're diving into the thrilling world of solo entrepreneurship to uncover whether it's a myth or reality. And trust me, you'll want to watch till the end of this video, because I've got some impressive real-life stories that will help us uncover the truth. All right, let's kick things off by defining what a solopreneur is. Imagine being the one-man or one-woman band, juggling all the roles: CEO, marketer, customer service rep, janitor, you name it. Sounds exhausting, right? But also kind of awesome. Solopreneurs run their businesses single-handedly, with no employees, yet somehow they manage to rake in the big bucks. So, can you really become a million-dollar solopreneur? The answer is a big yes. Let's dive into some real-life examples that prove it's possible. First up, meet John Lee Dumas. John was in real estate, feeling unfulfilled, and searching for his passion. He stumbled upon the world of podcasting and decided to create a daily podcast called Entrepreneurs on Fire. Yes, daily. John hustled hard, interviewing successful entrepreneurs every single day. His dedication paid off big time. Within a few years, he was making over $1 million annually through sponsorships, courses, and his mastermind community. John didn't just find his passion. He turned it into $1 million solo venture with over 4,400 episodes and more than 173 million total listens. Next, let's talk about Pieter levels. Pieter is a digital nomad who decided to create simple, useful products while traveling the world. He launched Nomad List in 2014, a platform for digital nomads, all by himself. This platform is a kayak-like aggregator for potential work destinations, ranking internet, price, and safety. Nomad List was created as the fourth startup in his crazy 12 startups in 12 months project. With relentless focus and hard work, Pieter grew Nomad List into a successful business, earning over $1 million annually, all while staying solo. His journey proves that with the right idea and dedication, solopreneur success is absolutely possible. And last but not least is the story of Walton, a self-described high school failure who worked a minimum wage job at a camera store. He felt stuck and decided to start an online business selling spy equipment. In 2014, he launched his website, Spy Guy, and began creating informative content and guides about security cameras. By focusing on a niche market and providing exceptional customer service while staying ethical, Alan grew Spy Guy into a 7-figure business. He did it all solo, proving that with the right niche, dedication, and smart strategies, becoming $1 million solopreneur is definitely a reality. Now, if you're thinking, okay, Barack, those stories are inspiring, but what's the secret recipe? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are some golden tips to guide you on your solopreneur journey. First, find your niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on what you're passionate about and where you can offer real value. A specific niche allows you to build a dedicated audience and generate substantial income through various monetization strategies. Second, leverage your strengths. As a solopreneur, you need to wear many hats. But that doesn't mean you have to do everything. Use tools and automation to handle tasks outside your expertise, freeing you up to focus on what you do best. Third, build a personal brand. People connect with people, not faceless businesses. Share your story, your struggles, and your successes. Authenticity resonates with audiences and helps grow your brand exponentially. Fourth, continuously learn and adapt. The entrepreneurial landscape is always changing. Stay curious and be willing to pivot when necessary. Keeping up with industry trends and evolving your approach can turn your solo venture into a successful, long-term business. Finally, don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Many solopreneurs undervalue their services. Remember, you're providing unique value that deserves fair compensation. By valuing your expertise and charging accordingly, you can build a profitable and sustainable business. So, is the $1 million solopreneur a myth or reality? It's absolutely a reality, but it takes passion, dedication, and smart strategies. Ready to embark on your solopreneur journey? Smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the Coin Compass for more tips on navigating your financial journey. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos to financial freedom. Now that you know it's possible to succeed as a solopreneur, this is the video you must watch next: the 7 money myths that keep you poor. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.